In this video, we will show you how to operate your Greenworks 24V Brushless Impact Driver. We have featured a 24V 1/4 inch Brushless Impact Driver. However, this guide can be followed for all units fitting this description. Your impact driver may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Step 1. Unpacking. Cut the tape and open the box. Lift the impact driver out of the box and set it down. Remove the operator manual along with any loose parts and set them aside for later. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box and packing materials until you have operated the product. Step 2. Battery and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with a battery and charger. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing and removing the battery. To install the battery, align the ribs on the battery pack with the grooves in the battery compartment. Slide the battery into the tool until you hear a click. This confirms it is locked into place. To remove the battery, press and hold the battery release button and slide the battery pack out of the tool. Always remove the battery before installing bits, making adjustments, or performing maintenance. Step 4. Installing and removing a bit. Before installing or removing a bit, place the /reverse switch in the center position to lock the trigger. Pull the 1/4 inch coupler forward and hold it in position. Insert an impact-rated bit fully into the coupler, then release the coupler to lock the bit in place. Always ensure the bit is securely installed before operating the tool. To remove the bit, pull the coupler forward and pull the bit straight out. Step 5. /reverse switch. The /reverse switch is located above the trigger. When the switch is positioned to the left, the tool rotates forward for tightening. When positioned to the right, the tool rotates in reverse for loosening. Placing the switch in the center position locks the trigger and helps prevent accidental starting. Step 6. Speed selection. Your impact driver features 3 speed settings. Press the speed selection button to cycle through the modes. 3 green lights indicate high speed, 2 green lights indicate medium speed, 1 green light indicates low speed. Select the appropriate speed based on your application. Lower speeds provide greater control, while higher speeds deliver maximum power for demanding tasks. Step 7. Operating the impact driver. Ensure the /reverse switch is set to your desired direction. Hold the tool firmly with a secure grip. Insert the appropriate impact-rated bit into the fastener. Depress the trigger to start the tool. The built-in LED light activates automatically when the trigger is depressed. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.